Fergus makes communicating with your customers simple and efficient by offering an SMS feature. To get started, ensure SMS is enabled. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Navigate to the Integration Center and scroll down to find SMS. Follow the steps to enable SMS. Now, let's run through the different ways to use SMS. First, save time by automating SMS reminders for key events. Fergus allows you to automate reminders for quote and estimate visits, scheduled job events, and overdue invoices. Enable the options you'd like to activate automated messaging for and select the time frame for when they should send. In addition to automation, you can send manual SMS messages from various parts of Fergus. Just look for the SMS icon to get started. Let's run through some commonly used manual SMS options. We'll start with the job phase. Use the SMS icon in the top right corner to send the job schedule to your customer. Make sure the job is scheduled first so the text pre-fills with the relevant times. Next, within your quotes, you can send a manual quote reminder using the SMS icon. This is handy for letting customers know a quote has just been emailed or for following up on older quotes that haven't been responded to. You can also manually send overdue invoice reminders if you don't want to automate them. Go to the invoice, click the three dots in the top right corner next to the approved symbol, and select Send Overdue Invoice Reminder SMS. Pro tip: for quick custom messages, go to the job summary and click the SMS icon next to the customer or site main contact. This lets you write a text from scratch and send it immediately. When a customer responds to your SMS, Fergus will notify you. You can view their reply in the Notes and History section of the job card and reply directly from the same section as well. And that's it. With Fergus, sending and managing SMS communication is a breeze.